Now, desperate times call for desperate measures, and the tough economic times in Kenya have called so many to move into entrepreneurship, while for others, the white-collar job works for them, the security of employment. But the question is, just between the hustler and the employed, who gets to make the money? Take a look.
The high standards of living in Kenya present opportunities and challenges in equal measures. The dilemma has always been, what means would you opt to put food on your table? More often than not, regardless of the means to an end, it has always been an uphill task to comfortably survive, particularly within the urban setup. The social status is accommodative, but some have to struggle to get the daily bread. A number of Kenyans have decided to go the self-employment way, with others sticking to private sector and civil service employment. Ian Gitonga is a businessman who runs his own studio, and to him, being his own boss has helped him explore a lot of opportunities.
I'm the master of my own time, and I can be able to create time for whatever activities that I want to engage in. So family for me comes first. I make time for friends, and the good thing about running your own business, I have a responsibility for my business.
Many of the middle-class citizens in Kenya are formally employed. Though they may not like all the experience, their choices may be limited. Job security is one of the reasons many opt to stick to employment. Bob Martin is a creative designer with Flametree, an advertising agency in Nairobi.
Employment is a good thing and a bad thing. A good thing is you actually are able to be confined in terms of discipline. Yeah? With discipline, it means that you're able to report on time, you're able to finish projects on time, you're able to actually even grow yourself career-wise with guidance from your peers, your workmates, and your bosses. Yeah, and with employment, I think it's also consistent in terms of like your salary, in terms of planning and budgeting for whatever you need to do.
Research shows that in self-employment, it's hard to progress, and you're only as good as your last job. While sticking to an employer, whether employed or self-reliant, one thing is constant: your growth is entirely defined by your desire to prosper.